All right, so what we got here is an early 280 SL that we just finished up. This car was pretty solid when we got it. Had very minimal rust repairs done to it. We did very minimal chrome plating on it. It was kind of a budget-minded restoration to make it a nice driver again. We stripped the car down to bare metal and refinished it. We put a new interior in it. New German canvas top. We put a carpet trunk mat in here. Reason we do that is the rubber mat retains moisture underneath and it causes the trunk floor to rust. We did rebuild the transmission on this car. And then we detailed out the engine compartment. Did all new zinc plating on the fuel injection lines and all the hardware. And she's ready to roll. Let's see how it runs. We put a no sound system in this car. It's a retro sound, looks just like a Becker, but it works really well.